Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm back from this one in this live streaming here from this one. We're here from this analyze of these games here in FIDE Women's Grand Prix, the Gross Looming 2025. So it means the location is Australia from this one. So it means I will choose this one in these games. So it means I'm sorry I'm late. I got busy my duty in my OJT. So it means I almost done. I'm finishing ending by OJT from this one. um so it means I'll analyze of this today's here. So it means I will choose of this game. So it means round 3 from this day 3 here from this one, and also long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock. So it means round robin from this one, and also a between from this grandmaster in China Zhu Zhener versus international master in Bulgaria Norgul Salimova from this one. So it means in today's round 3, this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Bruce Looming FIDE Women's Grand Prix. So white play Zhu is e4, e5 Salimova, knight f3, knight f6 is called Petrov defense classical variation, and also knight c3. So it means knight c3 here. So these are the old main line here is also d4. So d4 are main lines here from this one. So Zhu moves by knight c3 here, and Salimova capture these knights, pawn takes knights, and bishop to e7 by Salimova, upcoming by castle kingside by Salimova from these black pieces here, and also bishop to e3, castle kingside by Salimova, and also queen d2 without upcoming castling queenside by Zhu. So these are the develops here from this one. And also knight d7, castle queenside by Zhu, knight f6. So it means these are knight f6 here, or maybe with a moves here by bishop to g4 or knight g4 by here. So these are the develops here from this one. And also bishop to d3, rook e8, and also rook h e1 without first rank here, and also bishop to g4. What a precise move by Salimova without pinned by rook. So it means without develops here from this one. And also bishop to g5. So it means these are novelty from these games in this Zhu from this one. So these are the good novelty. Old main line is force to king to b1. Force move here from this one. So back there is bishop to g5, and also queen d7 and a3 without points here, without move by Zhu Zhener from this one, and also bishop to f5 by Salimova without bishop to bishop, and also knight d4 threatening bishop backwards g6 here from this one. So it means these are the we need to move backwards by Salimova here, and also f3. So it means, for example, so what do you think if you capture this bishop takes capture from this one? What do you think from this one? And also pawn takes bishop. So these are the controls here without develops here from this one. So back there is this one is f3 by Zhu Zhener, and also knight d5 by Salimova here without these are the good developments here from this one. And decided bishop takes captured, pawn takes, and also h4 with the strongest move by Zhu Zhener, and also knight b6 here without need to force backwards by Salimova, and also g4 what the strongest move by Zhu Zhener, and also bishop backwards f8 and h5 also. So it means h5 by Zhu Zhener. So it means these are the strongest move here by white pieces. And also c5 with a threatening by knight b3, and also captured. So it means the captured is okay. So it means these are bad move by Salimova. So the best moves there is decided capture this rook. So it means if you capture this rook here, so if you move by here rook e8, if you capture this rook, and queen takes rook. So these are the best examples here from this one. Slight from betters from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is pawn takes h5, and also rook h1 without avoided by here by Zhu Zhener, and also f6 without threatening bishop, and also bishop f4, h4 without pushes. So it means sacrifice. So it means sacrifice by Salimova. So what do you think if you capture this pawn? Pawn takes g4 here from this one, and also capture this pawn. So it means these are the capture this one, and also queen takes pawn. So these are the examples here from this one. So it means examples. These are the examples here from this one. So back there is h4 by pushes by Salimova here, and also queen h2 without doubles by queen and rook. So it means bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is king to b1 without force move here, without king b1s here from this one. So back there is queen h2, and also g5, good move by Salimova, threatening by bishop, and also knight takes c5 without sacrifice. So it means these are the pawns cannot capture this. Pawn takes knight, these are the targets by rook or threatening by queen. So these are the targets here. So it means we need more careful here. So it means eye to eye here from this one. So it means avoid this, capture this knight, huh? So it means avoid. So it means knight takes c5 here without threatening by queen. So threatening by queens here from this one. And also queen f7, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4 by Zhu. So the puzzle from these black pieces. So what do you think the fine brilliant move by international master Salimova in Bulgaria? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Rook takes knight. Brilliant move by sacrifice by Salimova. So it means double exclamation mark. So it means brilliant move by Norgil. And also pawn takes sacrifice by rook. So it means f takes e4 here. And also good move queen a2. Good move by Salimova. So these are the controls here without move here from this one. And also good move b3 by Zhu. And also rook c8. So it means another bad move by Salimova. So the best moves there is queen capture check. So it means queen capture check. So if you move by here king d2 here from this one. So what do you think from this one? And also queen c5. So if you move by b4, threatening queen, and decided to backwards here. So where do you put here? And okay, so it means queen to queen c8. Queen c8 here. So these are queen c8 here, but by the valves here from this one. So my thinking is to lost my also that. So after rook c8, bad move by Salimova. So it means the first puzzle by brilliant move by Grandmaster Zhu from China. So what do you think by brilliant sacrifice? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Rook d3, brilliant move by Zhu sacrifice. So it means without sacrifice here, and also capture this pawn. So it means bad move by Salimova. So it means bad move. So it means question mark by move here. So the best moves there is queen takes captured only again. Queen takes a3 check again. So it means without check. So if you move by here, if you move king d2, so it means these are the king d2 here by the develops here. So it means king d2 here. So it means queen takes a3 check are best moves here. So back there is G takes f4, and also queen takes h4 without captured, so it means without move by here, without check, or these are move here by check here by Zhu Juner. So it means these are the check here without doubles or queens and rooks here, and also bishop to g7, and also king d2 without move here, so it means no more by check by queens here, and also knight d7, and also queen h7 check, and also king f8, and also good move queen f5 without good move by here by Zhu, so it means without good move, and also rook c7, and also queen e6, so it means X is wrong move by Zhu Juner. So the best moves there is rook takes capture. So it means rook takes d6 here from this one. We need to develop here from this one. Oh, so it means without develops here from this one. So back there is queen e6, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5 by Salimova without threatening by rook by Zhu. So these are the targets here by threat by rooks here from this one. And also decided is queen takes d6 check. Sorry, I got sore throat here. So it means queen takes d6 check, and also defense rook e7. So the second puzzle, another brilliant move by Grandmaster Zhu Juner from China. So while waiting for a couple per seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, and congrats for everyone. Is rook h7 another brilliant move by sacrifice by Zhu Juner. So it means sacrifice, brilliant move by double exclamation mark. And also knight takes rook, and also rook takes bishop without sacrifice by Zhu Juner, and also king takes rook, and queen takes rook check, and also king g6. So it means I will count it by here the pieces. So the queen and knight by Salimova, these are the two pieces here, and also one queen only by Zhu Juner. So it means 2 versus 1 from this one by pieces here. So these are the determinations here from this one. And also queen e8 check, and also king g7, so it means bad move by Salimova. So the best moves there is king to h6. So it means king to h6 check if you move by queen f8 check, and also king g6. So if you check, or these are check, repeat, so these are, if you repeat, oh, so it means repeat without check, so it means repeat, so it means these are the draw here from this one, so it means draw. So back there is king g7 and queen e7 check, so it means X is moved by Zhu. So the best moves there is king captures knight. So king captures knight here from this one. So back there is queen e7 check, king g6 check, and king g7, another bad move. So the best moves there is king to h6 again. So it means king h6 again by here. So these are determinations here. So back there is king g7, and also check, and king check, oh, not check. So it means queen f5, so it means queen f5 here, so it means these are determinations. And also queen b1. Oh, why she moves king b1? So what do you think? So why don't we capture these three pawns? So it means queen takes a3. Determinations. Okay, so it means these are examples. So it means So back there is queen b1 and capture check, king h7 check, king h6 again check, king again check, good move. So it means good move by Zhu. King h7 check again, king g6, king a check, another good move by Zhu. So it means another good move. And also force king check again, king g6 check again, king h6 another check again. So it means another check again, and king force g7 another good move again. So it means why repeats here, so it means another good move without check, king h7 another check, king h6 and king takes knight. So king takes knight here without capture, so it means double by, oh, one queen's here, so it means queen to queen, and queen d1 check, king c4 f3. These are f3 without pushes, so these are the move by push, or maybe promotes by queens here, or maybe rooks here from this one. And also king f6 check, king h7 and g5 pushes, so without move by check by here, and also check, king d5 f2. Oh, so it means upcoming by promotes queen or rook. So these are develops here from this one. And king f7 check, king h8 and push g6. Oh my god, push g6. So it means push g6 here. So these are push g6 without move by here by g7 without check. So these are the content here from this one. So it means already upcoming promotes queen or rook without develops here. And also check, queen b5 check, good move king d4 by Zhu, good move, check, king d3 and king takes g6 pawns without queen to queen, and queen takes f2 pawns, and also check, c4 without defense, capture this pawn, queen f6 check, king g8 check, king f6, king f7 check. Oh, so it means check here. so it means queen d7 check, so it means check here, and king f6 capture this pawn, check again, and defense queen without queen to queen, and also check avoided here, queen g3 check, king d2, queen f4 check, and the last shot is king c3. So it means end of this game. So it means resigned by Norgil Salimova. So it means, why she resigns, because if you move by king f3, so without king f3 check, and also king d4, king d4 here, and also king d1 check, and also king c3, king c3 here. So it means, see, if you move by queen f3 check, and also decided is king b4, these are no more by check. So it means these are end of these games here from this block. So it means lose block from blocks here. So it means the score from white pieces. So how many clocks? So it means 7 minutes and 55 seconds by white pieces by Zhu Zhiner, and also black by 4 minutes and 21 seconds by Norgil Salimova. So it means these are the score here. The score from white accuracy is 92.6 by Zhu, and the black pieces accuracy score is 88.3. So the winner of this round 3 from this one, the Grandmaster Zhu Zhiner from China. Congratulations. So it means this is my favorite player. So I will see that favorite players here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep update of the next chess update. So I will choose up this game from this FIDE Women's Grand Prix Rose Lomi. So it means bye bye. Happy Saturday.